I'm so hungry.
Hello, Internet. I am Dissector from Ghoul, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do some of the cooking that has made me so fat. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have any luck today trying to kill a human. I've been trying to kill them from a distance for my own safety, as no one else's safety is of any consequence to me whatsoever. Now, the problem is, I thought I'd be able to get something easy. And I went out there looking for a simple, quick fix kind of weeknight meal, like a baby or a karate instructor. But what I ran into instead was the most dangerous game. The chicken. Creepsylvanian chickens know how to handle themselves, and don't let anyone tell you different. Anyway, what we're gonna do today is spatchcock a chicken. A word that does not mean what I used to think it did. Anyway, here's what you'll need. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is make the compound butter. Now, I'm going to make this with a bunch of shit that I stole from Baron Samedi before all of this went down. That guy's a jerk, so I don't have any problem with it. I'm pretty sure it's just grass or something. Anyway, you chop that up real nice, and you're going to mix it with some softened yak butter, which I'll show you right now. Okay, now that we've got the butter done, what we're going to do is spatchcock the chicken, a serious preparation method for serious times. And in order to do that, we're going to use these poultry shears, okay, much easier than using a knife. You can also use industrial grade bolt cutters or a table saw. Now, you're gonna see it's very easy. You just cut along the spine like you would with any baby or karate instructor. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to take some of this pickle brine that I have lying around in this guy's fridge. And what we're going to do is brine the chicken in the pickle brine probably for about 4 to 6 hours. So we're gonna put that in there and wait. Okay, so now that the chicken's done brining, I'm going to prep up a bed of vegetables to let it roast on, and then we're going to throw it in the oven. Today, I'm using what I can find easily, which is frogman testicles and witch lymph nodes. Bet you just can't eat one. Okay, so now we've got our mighty chicken in the oven. It'll be in there for about an hour and a half. It depends on the size of it. Oh, I think someone's at the door. Hold on, let me go check. Yes?
I'm looking for Mr. Bryan or Mr. Swafford.
No, they're not home.
I got a package for him.
I can sign for it.
Okay, thanks.
No, thank you. Let's see here. Alright. Okay, it looks like whoever lives here got a letter. Alright, let's see what it says, shall we? Dear Scott and Dave, I miss you intently. I cannot wait for this pandemic to end so we can all gather again. Love, Ben. What an asshole. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a nap while I wait for this thing to get out of the oven. You guys have a drink or something. I'll be back. And there you have it, numbskulls. A beautiful roast chicken plate. And remember, the next time that somebody accuses you of cowardice, you tell them, I am no coward. I'm a chicken.